Hey friends, welcome to the brand new episode of the K4 Media and Technologies, and today we are going to draw such beautiful different patterns of the fishes using the scale stencil as shown here using a marker. This one is so easy and it's less time consuming. You can do the detailing as shown here. Don't forget to draw the surface of the water as we are drawing here, and we are drawing some of the water plants beneath the water. Using some bright sketch pens, I am going to fill it with some colors as shown in this video. Don't forget to color the surface of the water. Now using the circular stencil again, we are going to create the circles as shown here using a marker or a pencil. Then we are going to draw the different creatures like the crab, fish, owl, etc. in just few simple steps. This one is so easy and it's less time consuming as we are using a stencil for tracing down the circles. This one is best suited for the kids between the age group of 6 to 10. It's very easy. Fill the body of each creature using the different colors. I am using the sketch colors. You can choose the crayon, pencil or the watercolors also. Difficulty level for this one is very easy and you can draw it well. Let's try to draw the woodpecker in just few simple steps. Woodpecker is a bird that has a long beak and its beak is so strong that it's always trying to break the wood of the trees. Just have a careful look. You just have to draw the circle, then some curved shape, D-shaped body, and then it's so easy. For this one we need the orange colored sketch pen. Then we are making the circle and filling it with the same orange color. After that, using a black sketch pen, we are drawing the details of the beetle so that it will look very interesting and it will look so fascinating to the kids. It's very less time consuming and you can draw it very well. For drawing a bird, you just have to make the crisscross body as shown here, then number 3, and then fill it with some circular shape that will represent the eyes, and beak is too little. Feathers setting on the tree branch as shown here. This one is so easy. Draw the patterns around the feathers. Fill its body with some beautiful colors. For this one we are using the maroon colored sketch pen and we are drawing the circles of the different sizes. This will represent the body of the ant. Then using a black marker we are going to add the details like the antennae, eyes and some of the little legs as shown here. This one is so easy and it's less time consuming, best suited for the kids between the age group of 6 to 7. Pigs are cute animals and they are usually pinkish peach in color, and today we are going to draw the one. For this we are going to make a circular shape that's uneven as shown here. Then the dots here denote the eyes and the broad circle denote the nose of the pig. We are going to draw a simple bird and it's very easy. Pause the video and follow the steps as shown here. Fill it with some beautiful colors. This curvy line denotes the dolphin, and dolphin is having a lot of fun in the water as shown here. She is happy and is having fun. Fill it with the blue color and show the surroundings of the water as now we are going to trace down the oceanic fish. For this we are drawing the two smaller eyes that are the circles actually, then the U-shaped body and the patterns inside. Don't forget to draw the fins. Thanks for watching the K4 Media and Technologies. We will come up with more such drawing ideas for your kids. Till then, bye bye.